I made a promise and I'm keeping it. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Well, I said that if I get 200 views on this video, also if this video gets 200 views, I will also disassemble this phone. I will also do a disassembly or a teardown video of the new Nokia 6310. Well, a promise is a promise, so let's begin. Time to void that warranty. Oh, look at this, look at this. I'm pulling it and it's snatched right back. It doesn't want to get disassembled, but too bad. Luckily it was a cheap phone, so not feeling sorry for losing the warranty. I'm filming my videos now closer to the phone. Oh, before I continue, I forgot to take out the memory card, so let me just take out the memory card. Oh, I did not expect to see this, but all right. Non-removable. Wow, it's such a big camera. After all, it's a VGA. Oh my god. No wonder the speaker, it's a bad quality one. Oh, the camera just sticked here, eh? Just easily pull it. I don't want to destroy it yet. Still new. What else do we have here? Is this some sort of antenna? Is this the Bluetooth antenna by any chance? Oh, here's the clamp. Oh, it comes in one piece. And this is the body shell, which is pretty thick. Nice. So let's take a closer look, shall we? Oh my god. Nokia, what are you doing? I'm gonna cry. So this is the main board, a simple one. Yeah, why? Non-removable components. I don't know how to say how I feel about this. Anyway, here's the microphone. Well, I promised a disassembly video and well, I disassembled it. I'm not going to go further. This thing is sticked here, the adhesive or something. And here's how it's, well, it's not a connector, it's soldered here, so I don't want to mess it up. So yeah, I'll just put it back together. It's an easy phone to disassemble, but either way, no connector. I mean, come on. Also, how is the keyboard made? Ah, okay, it's actually pretty solid. Oh, okay, I should have put this thing first in. Okay. Before I continue, I want to make sure I didn't get any dust particles in this one. No, I haven't. Okay. Now, well, feeling attracted. Well, yeah, this is the vibrator by the looks of it. This is the earpiece and the speaker. This is the, well, camera and flash. And this is the antenna of some sorts, I don't know. But why was it there? Wasn't it supposed to be here? I'm guessing it was supposed to be here. I don't know, it looks more logical to me. Let me just put this back together. Well, actually, judging by its price tag, yeah, it's kind of logical that they would make it like this, you know. Well, that's kind of that. Let me just put the memory card back in. And I'm also going to put this SIM card. Oh, come on, I said this SIM card. And the SIM 1 slot. Oh, come on! Freaking SIM card. Finally. Yeah. Now let's see if it works. Wow. Oh, okay. Hit my head. Okay. Okay, it works. Well, this was the teardown video of the Nokia 6310, the 2021 version. If you look at this video of the classic 6310, well, 6310i, you would see that everything is modular. I mean, the vibrator, the speaker, the main board, the display, everything it's detachable. While on this one, yeah, I mean, yeah, they have to make it cheap. I understand that. Judging by its price tag, I don't know why. This green one cost me about what, 60 euros? While the black one cost around 80 euros or something like that. And I'm curious, why that price tag? It's exactly the same phone, the same specs, just black instead of green body shell. I don't know. Well, actually, I don't care. I bought this one to have it in my collection, and I'm not going to use it. It's new, 0 talk hours, even though warranty doesn't work on this one. Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. I promised you that if I get 200 views in that video, I will do a teardown video of the new one. And I deliver my promise. I always do. Or at least I try. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye.